So here's going to be the things that you're going to need to begin your project in stained glass. Number one, you're definitely going to need some goggle glasses. You want to make sure you protect your eyes because when you start grinding the glass or cutting it, there's chips of glass that can fall into your eye and it's very dangerous. Okay, so make sure you have these. And also gloves that will protect your hands from getting cut as you're grinding the glass. Very, very important. I have so many cuts just from the glass cutting and all that. So it's very important that you get these. This will prevent a lot of injuries, okay? And then the next thing you're going to want to have, these are the vital things you're going to need in order for you to begin your project. Another thing you're going to want to have is a paper to transfer your design. Like right now, here I am actually working on this project right now. I'm doing a stained glass window for my home. And so I did it. I used a transfer to transfer the transfer paper to transfer over to this sheet. And so what I'm going to do, what I did was I took a folder, manila folders, and I actually used it to use it for templates. So this is what I use. So if you look at this, this is what I did. What I took was I used that to make my template here. So as you see, let me go here. This I will be using for templates. So you want to make sure that you have a manila folder or any kind of transfer paper that you can actually cut up nicely to give you a nice firm. See, this is pretty firm, so you want that. And so I find the manila folders, I use it for my office, and so I can also use it to do little templates to cut out my glass. This will be the template that you will use for your stained glass pieces. Another thing you want to do, you want to have a black permanent marker so that you can do your design and also to be able to trace on the glass to transfer over to recut. You're going to also use a glass cutter. There's so many different ones in the market. This is my favorite. It has a bigger grip. I can grip it and cut easily. But there's plenty of different ones, so whatever you feel comfortable with. This is another thing you're going to need. You're going to need pliers to cut the glass, to crack it in when you score it. These are the kind of pliers that you're going to use. And you see it has a little line in the middle right there. That's to line up the glass where you had just scored. So that's important that you have that. And these are just pliers also so that if you have glass that you have to chip away little by little, these are perfect for chipping on the glass. So these are